We got new project 2019 Chevy Spark. It is damaged on driver's side only, no airbag. So enjoy the video.
Under the turkey. That is clean. Let me do this. So I'm taking the tire. It goes over here. You can see. It's over there. Oh, it was spiked over here. Yeah. Because of the car that much. This is the accident. What is tire touching the suspension? Cannot if it's damaged or not. Okay, so I rotate the tire, but I can't put my finger tire and on the suspension. I can't put my fingers, so maybe we need to replace something. Suspension. So that's the ones on the back, this one here. So we need to figure out this one. I can put my finger on both sides, can put it, but it's not that much. So yeah. So fender liner, need to order fender, door, hood, bumper grill. Then there's a fog light too. And then light bracket, I think, and then fender bracket, and then razor holder. That's it. And the fog light cover. If you have the old one, it'd be easier, but no, we don't have. So on the engine part's good, on this side, and then horn, mini axle. That's it. And the tire.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.